Hi everyone, welcome to my new blog. So in this video I am going to review this property. Property name is Hampi Village Resort and Tutti Cafe. Before coming to the new property, we have covered many of the places. So now we have reached our property here. So you can see the rooms are, we all have the individual rooms. So there are around 20 rooms in this property. This is the whole garden. And we have the dining area there, reception. Yeah, these all are the rooms. I think these are common rooms. And see all a mango tree here. The garden itself have mango trees, lemon trees, coconut trees. Nice. This is our property where we have stayed for day 2, and the room looks like this. यहाँ पे थोड़ा ठीक है, चारों तरफ दीवार एंड कॉटेज स्टाइल एट द अप सीलिंग में है. सो bathroom is spacious, has a geyser in it. Then wash basin, small compact cupboard. That's enough, I guess, for one couple. There is wide window. That's all. We have now got fresh and going to have some lunch. Then we'll go Sanapur Lake and Anjanya Temple, Hanuman Temple. This whole property is surrounded by mango plants. This is the dining area. Night view is very good, so I'm going to record in the night. For lunch we ordered veg fried rice, malai kofta and butter naan. Just 1 hour before we have returned back from few places that we kept for the evening. Now I'm going to show you the evening vibe of the resort. So basically the dining area is very good, very relaxing. Once you are getting tired with the trekking and hiking, you can easily relax here. It was my birthday night, so we have ordered some food. Cut the cake. Food was very delicious. Price was a bit higher side, but I guess it worth. Resort is basically 5 kilometers from the center. We have to pass many villages to reach here. While coming to the property, you will witness breathtaking views, and yeah, the nature and the calmness of the property is very relaxing. This is a very new property, just started 2 months before. खाली हम्पी रे बाबा मैंगो ट्री सपोटा ट्री मंदार coconut then lemon tree guava sagwan ये तो जैकफ्रूट इधर है सपोटा भाई साहब सब कुछ है एक्चुअली this is farmhouse of the property here. Later he decided to make it a resort. अभी तो 2 महीना हुआ है. Again they are going to construct here one swimming pool maybe in future. There is ample amount of space there, so they can utilize in the future. Weather तो मस्त. See the view. Hills. And backside of the hills is there. And there is one more resort attached to this. Not sure the name. अरे देखो पहाड़. So this video is all about this property, and I would definitely recommend this property to the people who are coming to Hampi for a relaxing stay. Okay, so next video we are going to see the whichever places we have covered in North Hampi. Till then, bye bye, thank you, keep supporting. Take care, and if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share the video with your friends. Thank you.